guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Korean skincare PR unboxing. I also have some stuff that I bought myself, but like the majority is what I've gotten in PR. In no way, shape, or form am I bragging. I am so grateful that everything I've gotten so far. I just wanted to share some of these products that I've been loving. Some of these I haven't tried at all, some of them I have. But I'll be sharing little mini opinions because I sure do have a lot. Also ignore my background. It's messy and it doesn't make any sense because I live in a shoebox. I live in New York. Unfortunately, my room is a shoebox with no windows. Also, before we get started, please follow me on my socials. It's Chl.obeauty. I am on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, of course. So the first products that I got in PR is the CoStar X Duo No Spot Left Behind. I actually did a video on this on my TikTok and I really did like it. The PR package itself was so cute. It came with this little pamphlet, shows that you can buy it in Ulta, and just gave you some highlights on how to use it. That's usually what I use when I do PR videos. And had a cute little comic in here, and then it came with both the serum and the cotton balls that you put on your dark spots. I really did like this serum. It's very liquidy though, which I'm not too accustomed to, but these cotton balls though are definitely so good on dark spots. I actually faded quite a bit of my dark spots with this, so definitely recommend. I essentially have this big old box that I put loose products in, meaning they didn't come really in a collection, because I have nowhere of putting any of this, so I just put it in this box specifically. First thing that I got is the Niacinamide 10% serum. I love any serum with niacinamide, so I already know that this is going to agree with my skin. I always feel when I get a product with niacinamide, it's a safe space for me, so I'm definitely going to be using this, but I am not breaking this seal because I do not want any of my products to spoil. Next is brand Wellage. They're a Korean brand, of course. They sent me 4 of their products. They sent me these sheet masks, which I love this sheet mask. The sheet mask basically has a serum that's this bottle. Honestly, it really depends. If I'm feeling lazy and I don't want to do a whole sheet mask, I use this because I do love this serum. And if I have a little extra 15 to 10 minutes, I will use this mask. Either way, they perform the same, and I love this mask. It just keeps your skin super glowy, super hydrated. 10 out of 10. They also sent me their toner, which is all within the hyaluronic acid type of family. I've used it only once, so I don't really have much opinions about it, but their moisturizer cream, I've been using this every day, even under makeup, and this performs super well. This just gives you the most amazing glow ever, and I tend not to like the lotiony type of creams, and this one does not leave you greasy at all, and I have very oily skin. The fact that this performed really well on oily skin is just a plus, so I definitely recommend this moisturizer. I have this Arencia cleanser. It's actually very interesting as a cleanser. It looks almost like if it's a moisturizer. I have opened it because I was pretty curious about this product. I haven't been able to use it though. I do use the Arencia, I think it's their serum, niacinamide serum, and I absolutely love that. Next, I got the Mixsoon cleansing oil. I have not tried this yet, but I've seen people really rave about this brand on TikTok, so I hope that it's just as good as it's raved about. There's certain products on TikTok that I don't really mess with because I think it's overhyped, but I have been liking a lot of skincare recommendations from TikTok, so can't wait to try that out. Then the next product I have, I forgot I had another Arencia product. This is the Holy Hyssop Serum 30. So this is the, I guess, the same type of component like the cleanser. I'm not going to open it. I don't want it to get spoiled. But I'm assuming this is the same formula as their dropper serum because it says the same thing. Just this one is in this container and then the other one's in a regular dropper. Next, I have the Anwar Heartleaf Silky Moisture Sun Cream. I do not wear this under makeup because I do find it breaking off my makeup, but those days where I do no makeup at all, maybe spot concealer, some concealer, I'll definitely say, because look, it's super glowy, super hydrating, but I personally do not like it under makeup. Next, I received products from this brand called Papa's Recipe. I got the Papa's patch for the nose. I also got the Blemish Enzyme powder cleanser, and it has this type of design on it. I really love their packaging. Then these are the Papa's patch for the nose. I actually did use this. They recommend for it to be for 1 to 8 hours. I actually slept with it on. I really don't know why. You didn't have to do that, but I did. I don't know. I could have taken it. Listen, I'm all for the experiment. Next, I have the Purito Mighty Bamboo Panthenol Cream and the Purito Wonder Relief Centella Serum, and they're both unscented. I actually did break the seal with these because I did use this for a video, and I really did like it. Honestly, the Purito moisturizer reminds me of the Wellage moisturizer. It is a little bit more on the gel side, and I love that glow it gives. I'm not gonna put it on my skin yet just because I have my ointment, but this just provides the best glow. And then for their serum product, I use this too. It's very different too because this serum is like very much a gel. Just to show you up close, like very much a gel. And I really do like it. I am saving it because, I don't know, like I'm trying to like be on a no buy right now. I'm hoping to be on a no buy. But when you put onto your skin, like just imagine like this serum on your skin and then the moisturizer, like that glow it's gonna give you, chef's kiss. Next I have is the Dr.G Brightening Peeling Gel, just to give you brightening care, mild peeling of the skin, and gommage peeling. It's a derma peeling solution for sensitive skin, which that's nice. But I have to do a little bit more research on this just because it is saying peeling. I am terrified and scared of getting chemical burns because I do like to pack on the skincare. So this PR package is like dear to my heart because I actually got the inside out version of it, and they gave me backups because I love the inside out version of like the bubble. I still keep the moisturizer one just because I love anxiety on there because I suffer with anxiety, so why not have the anxiety one? I keep that on my desk because I love it. But they resent me basically everything from the collection, but just like regular packaging. So their cleanser, which I do use their cleanser. I still am on my first bottle of my cleanser because they gave me 2. Then I got the Treat Hyaluronic Boosting Serum. And then, of course, the iconic moisturizer. I'm absolutely excited. This next product is actually the most cutest PR package I've ever received. It is the Jungsammu. They gave me a mini tote bag. Like, I'm definitely taking this out. Like, I'm definitely going around town with this. And in the tote bag, not only do they give you the cutest bag known to mankind, they actually gave me a bag that was insulated. Okay, like Korean brands just know how to market to the people. Like, first and foremost, I am definitely hanging up this postcard. Look at this postcard. Like, to die for. And of course, the product card and just some other cards that came with it. But like this first one though, I'm definitely putting this on my wall. It's giving girl boss energy. But anyways, they sent me the Essential Mole Cream. So this is a whitening and wrinkle care. Oh, whitening? Do they mean brightening? Because if this has bleach in it, I'm gonna fight somebody. But I did use the 3-in-1 Moisture Fitting Mist Spray. This is actually a setting spray. I think it's more so like a fixing spray. And I really do like it. It definitely moisturizes the face. And when I put it with makeup, my makeup actually lasted quite a bit of time. And I only tested this one. And it gives you a nice glow. So, plus I have this cleansing oil from the brand Neogen. I just did a video on it and I really do like it. This has micellar water and it's a cleansing oil. I'll definitely say it does take off a lot of dirt from the skin. My favorite cleansing oil, my sister actually gave this to me, is the Cosnari one. They had sent me PR a while back. I tried it, I loved it, and I have it again and I definitely use it. Last but not least, I was sent the ID AZ Face Fit Plaster Mask. I don't know. I'm gonna try it out. Like I said, I am all for experimenting with skincare, but I don't know if this is just a regular face mask. Is there something else I'm supposed to do? Because it looks a little bit intimidating, so I'm assuming it's a face mask. Okay guys, that would be it for today's video. Hope you guys are all staying safe out there, and I will see you for the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and follow me on all my socials. Bye!